See the highlights of Rotterdam with a sightseeing tour in an open top bus, just as you can in Paris, Barcelona and London. Step onto the red open top bus and take the 1 hour long tour and enjoy the sights and the main attractions of Rotterdam, including the impressive market hall, the much talked about cube houses, the impressive new central station and of course the Euromast. Sightseeing Rotterdam is an audio guided sightseeing tour where you hear all about the sights of Rotterdam. The audio guide is available in 6 different languages. Sightseeing Rotterdam is the way to go and the ideal way to explore Rotterdam.